In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring objects to the front, or bring them forward, send them backwards, or send them to the back. And in order to understand that, you need to think about all those shapes as paper cuts. So imagine you had a piece of artwork, and instead of that being a computer, it was a real white card, and then you have a brown card cut into a rectangle, and some black card cut into circles, and a red card cut into the body of the car, and a yellow card cut into the sun. And now you want to decide what covers what. So it's the same idea in the computer. Each piece can cover or be covered by another piece. And to demonstrate that, we're going to do two things. First of all, we're going to look at the car. So I'm selecting the car, and remember in the last tutorial we grouped it, and we want to ungroup it. So I'm going to go to Arrange, Ungroup. And I want to make it cooler, so I'm going to make the front car be in front of the body of the car, but the back car be behind it. So I'm going to click on the back car wheel. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And if I hold the shift down, it's going to remain a perfect circle. And now I'm going to go to Arrange, Order, and I want to send it behind the red body of the car, so I'm going to click Send to Back, and it's behind it. So now my car has a more funky look. I'm going to regroup it again, select the one wheel, hold the shift button down on the keyboard, select the second wheel, the body of the car, and the window, go to Arrange, and group it. And now it moves together. Okay, so that was one demo, and now I want to have my sun caught between two clouds. So go to the Insert, Shapes. In the shapes, over here there's a cloud, and I'm going to draw one cloud here. I'm happy with the color. Go to Insert again, Shapes, Shapes, select the cloud, and I'm going to make that a slightly different shade of gray. Let's go for a dark one. Okay, but I want the dark cloud to be behind the sun, and the lighter cloud to be in front of the sun, which is fine, it's already there. So let me select that, and you go to Arrange, Order, and if it was a piece of paper, you'll just lift that piece of paper and stick it behind the sun. On the computer we call it Send to Back or Send Backwards. The difference is that Send to Back means it's behind everything else, and Send Backwards is just behind the last thing you put on the piece of paper. You can try them and see which one works for you. I'm going to go straight to Send to Back, and it jumped behind it. That way you can create more complex scenes, for example, where the clouds move through the sky, and some of them are in front of the sun and some are behind, and that could make it more interesting.